everyone, and welcome back to Advanced Web Rankings video series. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a game-changing feature that's going to revolutionize the way you approach SEO analysis, our brand new reporting system. Whether you're tracking key metrics, monitoring your SEO progress, or organizing your ranking data, our new dashboard-based reporting offers you greater flexibility than ever before. New dashboards can be easily created and managed in the reporting section. You can quickly get started by using a predefined template or build a fully customized dashboard from scratch. Let's create a dashboard from scratch and explore all the customization options the new reporting system has to offer. You can choose from a variety of widgets, such as tables, charts, and KPIs, and quickly add them to your dashboard using the drag-and-drop builder. This allows you to tailor your reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to your SEO strategy. When you drop a widget into your dashboard, you'll be prompted to configure its inputs, such as the date range, keywords, search engine, website, and other relevant parameters depending on the type of data the widget displays. For even greater versatility, the cross-project widget functionality enables seamless comparisons across different projects in a single view. And for deeper insights, flexible date ranges allow you to analyze trends and seasonal shifts by selecting multiple time periods within the widgets added to the same dashboard. To streamline future reporting, don't forget to save frequently used widgets as favorites, making it faster and easier to build new dashboards. Now let's move on to exploring the visual elements you can add to your reports to give them a polished, professional look, ensuring they leave a lasting impression on your team or clients. You can start by organizing your pages with short descriptions, headings, and dividers. Horizontal and vertical dividers help create a clean and structured layout, while uploading custom images adds a personal touch. You can also add a customizable cover page that features a title, description, date range, and company logo, giving your report a polished look right from the start. The page header customization further elevates your dashboard by allowing you to add your company logo and a title that appears consistently across all pages. Including details like the project name and date range ensures your clients have a clear understanding of the report's scope. In the footer of your dashboard pages, you can easily include your company name and copyright text, such as Powered By. This strengthens your brand presence and ensures your report reflects your identity. And last but not least, adding a custom logo to the footer ensures consistency across all pages of your report. Once you've finished configuring all your widgets and adding the final touches to your dashboard, you can preview it to see exactly how it will look. If everything looks right, proceed to save the dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear and descriptive name to make it easy to identify it. While each dashboard is linked to the project it was created for, you also have the flexibility to assign it to multiple projects, tailoring your reports to suit the specific needs of different clients or campaigns. After selecting the relevant project or projects, you can choose to save and continue editing, or save and exit to save your dashboard and return to the dashboard section. Now that your dashboard is ready, you can quickly generate and download a PDF version to share with colleagues or clients in just 2 clicks. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link, giving them access to the live dashboard where they can explore the data and adjust the date range as needed, making collaboration and analysis more straightforward. Manually sending reports can become time-consuming, especially when you're handling multiple clients or projects. To simplify this process, you can automate report delivery, scheduling them to be sent directly to your clients' or teammates' inboxes at the frequency that works best for everyone. Start by giving your scheduler a name and selecting the frequency that works best for you, along with a specific day for the report to be generated and delivered to your clients' inboxes. By default, the scheduler status is set to active, ensuring reports are delivered on schedule. If you prefer to pause or delay the delivery, simply switch the status to stopped. You can also choose to upload the report directly to your Google Drive by toggling on the upload option. Note that the default setting is off, so make sure to enable it if you want your reports to be uploaded. Next, select the projects for which the report should be generated, and add the email addresses of teammates or clients who should receive the report. Once all the settings are complete, simply save the scheduler and you're all set. The scheduler will run at the frequency you've selected, keeping everyone informed. If you need to edit your dashboard, it's easy to make adjustments at any time to keep it up to date with your evolving needs. You can easily manage all your dashboards and PDF reports in the management section. In the Dashboards table, you can see the user who created each dashboard alongside the creation date. You can also check if the dashboards have associated scheduled PDF reports, have been shared with clients via permalinks, or if have been assigned to all monitored projects, specifically selected ones, or a single project. You also have the option to perform quick actions, like editing or duplicating your dashboards, deleting the ones you no longer need, scheduling a PDF report, or copying the shareable link. In the PDF reports table, you can check the generation date, the projects included, and whether the reports have been generated on the scheduler or manually by a user. From here, you can also quickly download the PDFs, send them via email, or delete them, making it easy to manage everything from one place. And that's it! Now you know how to create, customize, and manage your dashboards, automate report delivery, and easily share your SEO data with your teammates and clients. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next videos. Until next time, happy tracking!